So I got 85. So I got about $1,785 coming in passive income just from this. Took me about a year and a half to build up to this stage. Um, that's an idea of doing it. Just offer them the economy package or this. Create a quick, simple website for them using the templates, and then you basically launch it for them. You publish it. It takes like 10 minutes to create something because the templates and everything are already created. Anyone can do this. You don't even have to be a web developer to do this. Basically, give them this, and all of a sudden you're making $20, $25 per customer per month, and you don't worry about them anymore because the 24/7 sales and support team basically does everything for them. But what you want to do when you purchase the reseller package is you want to have your number when new customers call you, because it's better to talk to them in person to get them, so you can offer them this website builder program, then you can actually do it for them. Give them that extra little step. And then once they're done, you just basically transfer them whenever you get calls to the 24/7 sales and support team. And they basically, when they call, like I called myself Web Design Oshawa, if somebody calls me and calls my 1-800 number, the people over there answer and they say, Web Design Oshawa, how may I help you? You know what I'm saying? So you look like a professional business, but you're really operating from your basement, you know? But you got this whole thing. Like, look at the stuff you can sell. Search engine visibility. You can sell another really, really awesome thing, which makes you a lot of money, is the quick shopping cart. People can actually buy um, an online store from you, and they can create it themselves, or you can create it for them. Um, and basically, you get like some amazing commissions. So the way it works with commissions is, see, I started this back in 2013, and yeah, so I got 60 customers. I got 25 domain names under my management. So when you look at, for instance, sales, payment, let me show you some sales. Okay, it's pretty easy. Payment history, right? So let's just go back here. Like, see, for instance, on October 24th, they paid me $712.45 um, from all my customers. Um, so as you can see, and this is passive. This isn't like I'm putting like super effort. I'm basically sitting at home. All these customers just basically have to pay, um, with their visas or whatever. The system does everything for them. It's kind of like, just imagine GoDaddy. Okay, it's the same thing. You put in your visa, everything's protected. You're protected by them. You don't have to really worry about anything. It's pretty amazing. It's pretty amazing, and it's really cool. Like $354, $712. I got 220, 397. You basically you got paid. Like I'm. This business is already operational and running. You can basically do the same thing. Now, when you look at the first reseller guy, he makes $29,000 per month just from all his customers, and that reoccurs every month because they're on a monthly plan, right? So just think of it as Rogers or as Bell or a television um, industry. Basically, the customers pay the big boys $100 per month, and they have thousands of people, so that's how much they rack in without doing anything really. And they only got to pay their technicians and stuff like that. But see, on your end, you don't even have to pay any technicians, nothing. You just pay that one annual fee. You get a fully operational business, and you're ready to roll. And you can actually go up to this 29,000. So what would you need to do to get to $29,000 if you use the method that I did? 29,000 divided by, like this. These guys are like on fire. But so let's say 25 per commission. You're looking at 1,160 customers, right? 1,160 times 25. You got $29,000 per month. It's not that bad, right? So if you split up your goals into a 1 year thing, let's say into 12 months, so you want to have, sorry, how many customers now? 1150. Divide that up into 12 months as a goal thing and say, okay, every month I want to get 95 customers. Okay, that's overdoing it. Split that up into 2 years. 95. I'm not saying that's bad. That's actually very possible, right? But if you split that up into a 24-month goal thing, you got 47 per month. If you can get 47 customers per month, now you got to remember. So the first month you're making $1,000, $175, and it's going to happen every month afterwards because this is a passive income. So it's just going to, even if you put that 1 month of effort and you have a successful month where you get 45 customers, you got $1,175 coming in every month, every month, every month, every month, every month for like as long as these people stay with you. The cool thing about this business is once you get one customer, they put in their information, they put in their email address, they put in their domain name. The 1-800 support guys, like the actual team, um, calls them and says, "Hey, do you guys want to add an email plan?" And that's an extra $5 per month. Do you guys want to maybe add like an extra domain? Do you want me to set up a marketing thing? Do you guys need business cards? Do you guys want to maybe open up a shop on the side? And so these guys call them and encourage them to get more things to grow their business. So all of a sudden, you could be making an extra, like $800 just from the same customers that you already have, but they add more stuff to their storefront. So this is actually really easy, and I'm just saying that's 1 month. But if you keep growing this, growing this, growing this, like let's say you do 20 customers per month, and you're pushing that 25 per month, you're pushing it. You got 20, you got 500 coming in. So 1 month, you got 25 customers. You're gonna have $500 coming in every single month after that without doing anything. So the next month you're like, you know what? I'm just gonna relax, smoke a cigarette, take it easy, read a book. Boom, $500 comes in from the previous month because the effort that you created in the first month keeps repeating every month. But if you keep adding to it, adding to it, adding to it, adding to it, so you can very easily like I said, 25 per month equals times, let's say, 40 customers per month. You got to sorry, that was well, you know what? Let's just say 25 customers, just to give you a realistic thing. 25 times 25 equals $625 per month, and that's going to keep coming in. So your first month's effort will keep coming in every single month, passive income. But let's say every month you decide to do that, so you times that by 12, and after a whole year, you're like, that's it, man. I'm taking it easy. I'm going to freaking Jamaica, and I'm going to be smoking a cigarette, drinking a coffee. I'm drinking. I'm going to read a book, and I'm going to the movies, and I'm going to buy myself a car. Guess what? You're chilling out. You go on this trip. You come back a year later, and every single month you get $7,500 coming in because of your first year's effort. You know what I'm saying? So that's how it works. It's pretty cool. It's not like a network marketing thing where you got to get a guy to buy a vitamin, and the guy gets the vitamin for free, and then you get another guy, and then you get another guy. Those guys starts buying vitamins, but if those guys don't end up buying vitamins, then like your thing falls apart, and then all of a sudden you're left with all these vitamins. You got nothing. So that's what I'm saying. That's network marketing. I'm not saying it's terrible. Like some people like put some serious effort into it, and they can build it to like they can make a lot of money. But this is based on your own efforts, or you can hire someone to do the calls for you, or you can market it by yourself. Now, the way I advertise it is I advertise this thing on my own. Like the way I do it is I pick up the phone, I call people every single day. I got a line where I can call North America, USA, Canada, unlimited, local, long distance. So I basically call every single city. Every day I try to make at least 25 phone calls a day, and out of those, like if I get 5 sales, I get a little bit of information from them, and they said, yeah, I want a website. I'm like, okay, so what domain do you want? Okay, and then I put in their information. So this is how you take an order. So let's say I ended up getting a sale somewhere from Arizona a few days ago. Called the company. They were a hairdressing thing, and they did decide to go with the $20 a month plan with me. Um, and basically, what I did is I called them. Okay, yeah. So what I'll do right now. Let's say they wanted to order from me. I said, okay, guys. Well, thank you very much. That sounds good. I'm gonna take your order right now because once you got a hot customer, you want to click this thing and get them in. So they decided to go with the deluxe plan. So this is what I'm doing on my end when I'm talking to them. All right, well, we're going to register you for the deluxe plan, okay? Now, would you like to have it per month, or do you want to pay once a year? And they say, no, I want to have it per month. So I said, all right, it's going to be $24.98 with taxes every single month, okay? And we're going to create the website for you. Okay, so first I need to register you, okay? So then they go, okay. And then, okay, so you're at new customer. So you click on that. And then you say, okay, what's your name? Oh, my name's Ivana. So you say Ivana. Okay, Ivana. Okay. Ivana. Okay, and your last name? Kalakusha. Kalakusha. Uh-huh. And you live in America. Okay. And your address? 44 Rover Drive. Okay. Excellent. Now your zip code. ZZZ. Great. And what city you're in? Arizona. Okay. State. Let me see here, please. Okay, I'm looking for state. Yeah. All right, California. Let's just say whatever. Okay, and then well, Arizona. I'm just joking. Like city's called Jiggy. Okay, in California. Okay, and your phone number 905-242-19955. Now, important. Your email address at .com. Your username, Ivana. Okay, we're gonna make it LABII. Okay, now I need you to set a password. Okay, the password's gonna be Hakapulka. Okay, you remember that? Make sure you write that down because that's gonna be your password when we send it in for you. Now, what's your 4-digit PIN? Oh, it's 4543. That's when you call in. Okay, great, excellent. Okay, and if I could have your credit card number, your security number, name on card, All right, now do you want to pay with your checking account?